Alright guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and jump in here. We're gonna get this opened up. These are on super clearance at Walmart right now. It depends on where you're at though. I've noticed that every Walmart can be different, but ours has these for super cheap. That's all that comes in it. It's cool. And this one does actually come with a charger. That's nice. So you just unscrew that thing and this just slides down. Doesn't seem like it went on there perfectly straight, so I want to be careful with these. There we go, just like that. And it does come with, let's see here, this is a 2 amp hour battery, and it comes with another attachment. That's pretty cool. I think we'll be using that one quite a bit. 2 amp charger. And let's see if this one had any charge in it. Nice. That's really, really cool. I have one really similar, the longer one, so this should be perfect for getting the weeds out next to my store. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. Be sure to subscribe.